Hey, it's Eran here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install an email template into your account so that if somebody happens to share with you an email template, you can correctly get it installed in your account. Now, I've recorded another video that will show you how to do that by sharing my screen, so you'll see that in a second. But before I show it to you, it's important for me to tell you that if you run into any trouble by adding the email campaign to your account, the email sequence, the reason typically that happens is because you've exceeded your limit. You've reached the limit of how many campaigns you can have. So on the free account, I believe you can only have one. On the $197 account, $197 a year, not a month, there is a certain limit. And then on the webinar plan, there's a limit. And then on the unlimited plan, $828 a year, which is one I'm on, there's no limit, so you won't have that issue. But if you're on the other plans, there is a chance when you try to click and install, it's not going to work. The reason is because you've exceeded your plan. So you either need to deactivate another campaign or upgrade your plan. If you are going to upgrade your plan from free to paid or whatever, then please, I would really appreciate if you use my affiliate link. Go to eran.link/SIO40. And that link, when you use that link, send me an email to let me know you've used that link. And what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to send you a very important bonus, which is I'm going to connect you with my virtual assistant to do one-on-one session on Zoom for 40 minutes to help you take care of all the pesky techie integration stuff. Connecting your domain name, connecting your payments, integration so you can accept money and actually make money. The mailing settings, which is a tedious process of connecting your professional email address to Systeme. And if you want some help with anything else, you're welcome to ask my VA anything for the duration of that one-on-one session. So that will be totally free when you use my affiliate link. Now, I'm going to share my screen and show you how to install the email campaign. And at the end, I'm also going to tell you how to get different email sequences installed in your email account, in your Systeme account with one click. Hey, it's Eran here. I'm going to show you how to import an email sequence, email campaign to your Systeme.io account. So you'll see a couple of versions. You'll see a Google Doc, which when you open it, you'll open up a Google Doc. And then you will see this one, which is a Systeme email campaign. When you open it, it's going to open a Systeme.io account. Now, first of all, you'll notice my campaigns. I've got 18 campaigns at the moment. And then you'll see here, there is actually, these are the top one. And you'll see this is what I've got. Now, as soon as you click on this, it will open in a new tab. So pay attention once it opens in a new tab, and you'll see the campaign was shared. This is what it will look like. So then you'll see the different emails. And then we look at campaigns. Now you're going to see that it's got 19 campaigns, which is this one. Now, obviously, depending on which one you're sharing, it might have a different name, it might have a description, and so on and so forth. But just be aware that's how that's going to work. So that's how you share a Systeme.io email campaign, and it will be added to your Systeme.io account right away. Now, once you're in there, you're going to need to customize the sequence of how you want to get it sent. You want to send it immediately. You want to send it 2 days difference between them. So if you want to space these out, that is going to be your choice. When you look at the Google Doc, you will see the sequence of how I have it and how I have got it set up, but you can decide the sequence how you want it and the timing as well. So just, this is something you're going to need to customize on your own. You will do that by clicking on publish, and then you will need to choose these aspects basically of how you want to send it. So I've got another tutorial on email marketing and customizing campaigns. You can check it out separately. It'll be in my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is how you install the email sequence correctly. Again, make sure you haven't exceeded any of the plans. Now, the different email sequences that are available is the welcome sequence when somebody joins your email list, a beta offer email sequence, which is perfect if you're a coach and you want to get your first beta clients. There is also other email sequences which are really helpful, such as cart abandonment. So if you have a two-step funnel where somebody enters their email before checking out and they actually don't end up buying, you have an email sequence you can set up to basically send them back to the order form to get them to pay. So I've got a whole video that explains that, and I've got a template on that as well. So these other sequences, now all of these email sequences are available in my templates and coaching membership. However, I'm also excited to be able to share that you can also buy these templates standalone without joining my membership. So somewhere below this video, you'll be able to check it out. There's going to be a link for you to get it. So if you go to eran.link/email templates, you'll be able to buy those email templates standalone and just buy them without being a member. Or alternatively, if you want to join the membership, that's also possible. You can go to erantemplates.com and you'll be able to access those for free, basically, or not for free, but included in the membership. So both options are totally cool. They're the same templates and they're awesome. So there's at least 6 of them. And, depending on when you're watching this video, there might be more added as time goes on, because, I can tell you, for example, the cart abandonment, that came because of a request from one of my members, and I created it especially for them because I already had a cart abandonment email sequence. I thought, why not? Let's just add another one. So that was just another add-on. So, there might be more, but everything will be listed on the sales page to purchase the templates. So that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you got value from this video by leaving the word value. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Otherwise, somewhere around this video, I'm going to share with you also some additional information about email marketing and stuff like that to do with Systeme.io. I've got a very extensive tutorial on how to do email marketing in Systeme.io where you can explore every single feature. And anyway, it's a very extensive video, but will show you a lot of stuff and how powerful the system features are for email marketing. That's about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.